Hi everyone and welcome back. So I noticed that in the first video there was a lot of random background noise and that was done by Logan over here. So I called him over and I told him he could be part of the video instead of just making random noise in the background while playing Nintendo Switch.
And hey, Layla was a part of it.
Okay, well, let's not blame. Now you're here to help me make this video. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So, by now you guys should all have your food. Let's hit start and test it out. All your food should be able to go to a ninja and it should snap back. It should. Uh-oh. Well, okay, snap back. Why didn't this one snap back? Okay, so we need to look at the fry and the soda. And okay, so it looks like the all our food is snapping back except the fries and the soda. So let's figure out why that is. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on this one. This is food is this food number 5? Yes, this is food number 5. This looks good. Let's make sure that on the initialize when scene starts, for food number 5, we have this, which is good. And then we have this here, which is good too. But there's a debug. It says cannot read property of undefined reading text. Um, it only happens on food 5 and food 6. Food 5? I think this is food 6. Yeah. So, and we got that for both of them. Cannot read property of undefined reading text. So that's pretty interesting. I don't see anything different about these. So on the initialize, we have distal origin X, and then on the mouse button up, this is food num 5, and everything else looks okay. Let's look at, oh, I see. I got this debug here, which we're testing something. Let's get these out. And I think it's the same thing for this one. Right here, yeah, we were testing some code. It's always great to put debug statements in your code if you have things that you don't understand. So that's what we did, but we forgot to take them out. Okay, so now let's go ahead and save it and let's try. And he's still not snapping back. Let's try to fry. Still not snapping back. Oh, I didn't start the game. Let's start the game and snap back and snap back. Okay, perfect. We are good to go. I can clear out all the debugs and we're good. All right, so let's look at the next step. So in the next step, we are going to go to initialize when scene starts for, do you have a question, Logan?
No.
Okay, so you can't see my scene, so I'm going to make the screen a little bit smaller or bigger. I'm not sure why, but I need to move my recording controls. So my recording controls are blocking. There we go. So on my game objects, I can go to the scene and I put this empty function in here, but for now, so we're going to keep that in here, but now we're going to add some variables because we're going to need those variables to make the food check work and some other things we need. So let's start with some variables. We're going to go with pink food, and we're going to use camel case, and that's obviously the food that the pink ninja is requesting.
And let's not break the fourth wall next time.
We can break the fourth wall. Why not? Our video. I love breaking the fourth wall. New food pink, and then var new food black. All right, so with these variables set up, our next step, we could go and write this food check function, but it's going to depend on a number of other functions. So I'm thinking. Should we? No, let's do the think. Let's do the think first. So the next thing we're gonna do is this think pink and think black. So there's a little thinking bubble. Let's wire this up. So I'm gonna create a function for that. So we'll say this think pink is equal to function, and let's say var random ink is equal to random. We're gonna do between 6 seconds and 2.5 seconds. Right? So that way they don't all think at the same time. They'll be randomly thinking, and then we'll say pink request text. And okay, what should she think? What do you think she should think, Logan? Because she wants some food. How do you think she should ask for it?
I think the pink ninja likes desserts.
Okay, let's say give me some dessert. Right, give me some dessert and
Need to work on the syntax.
syntax. Well, it's just a text. You mean uppercase like this? Or you wanna say, yeah, it's just fine. We can use broken English. Okay, so next we want to say this dot pink delay.
You forgot to add a punctuation
Where?
in the text.
Oh, like this?
Am I breaking the fourth wall?
No, you're not breaking the fourth wall. Okay, so this dot
Good.
pink delay, and we're gonna do a timer.
Talking about the fourth wall, did I just break it?
No, actually, you did break the fourth wall, but that's okay. It's not a movie. We can break the fourth wall all we want. It's an educational video. So random pink, and then function. Do this function here. So random pink is right here. It's going to give us the random number, and then in this function we're going to do this dot scene dot new pink. Dot scene of new pink. So we haven't created new pink yet, and we will. Um, I like whenever I reference a new function that I haven't created yet, I like to just create it anyway and make it blank. So I'll say that way we don't get any errors. This dot new pink is equal to a function, and that function will be empty for now, right? So what that's going to do is it's going to um, well, new pink is really going to um, randomly guess, what food pink wants, right? Okay,
How will the gimme some dessert pop up?
we'll see. So let's see if it works. So I'm gonna hit the start game and see if this works and see if we have any errors. So game has started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So nothing happened. Let's stop it and try again. One,
The text didn't work?
two. Nope, text didn't work. Okay, so we also have zero debugs. So let's see what's going on here. And we're on initialize every frame. So let's see. It says random pink request from text. So this.think pink, random pink request dot text is here, and then this dot pink delay is equal to create timer random pink. Okay, you know what? Because we haven't called think pink yet. We just created think pink, but we haven't actually called it to actually do anything. I think we have to call it from food check, and that's why it's not working. So I really like the idea of testing things as we go. So let's go ahead and create food check. What do you think? We're gonna make food check now. So food check is a little
Hey,
complicated.
look at the TV. It's me when I was.
I don't think our audience can see the TV. So let's work on our code. So okay, I'm gonna do food check. So remember, each of the foods is calling food check. So we gotta make that first. So okay, let's do food check. Bar. I know it's late. Food is equal to this dot
Broke the
find.
fourth wall again.
Stop breaking the fourth wall. Find name, and we have food plus number. So if you've done a few of these projects, you know that find name is an internal function, and what it does is finds the object.
Stop breaking it.
What are you talking about? I didn't break the fourth wall. So we are now going to find the food object. So whichever object it is, and remember all the foods are named by food and a number. So we're just combining the string food and a number that we pass in here, and this will give us our food. Okay, so that's what this does. And then we're going to make another variable here called want. So want is going to be whatever the pink or black ninja asked for, right? Okay, so now let's check which ninja is asking. So we're going to say if ninja is equal to pink, let's start with pink. And if ninja is equal to pink, then we can say want is equal to pink food. Okay. And then we can say else, right? That means if it's not pink, then it's going to be black. So we're going to say want is equal to black food. Okay. All right. So now we have our food set. Let's go ahead and the last part of hmm, I'm thinking here. The next part here is the thanking, but I don't think we need to do the thanking yet. I want to make sure what is calling think. I want to make sure we know what is calling think.
Is the request working now or no?
A quest working? I don't know what that means, Logan.
The text give me some dessert.
No, it's not working yet because we still haven't called think pink. So we need to think where we are going to call think pink. I know I said think twice. Um,
Which line is that?
yeah, that's a good question. So where do we call pink think? Okay, so what I'll do, I will give kids at home a chance to copy this code by pausing the video. All right, guys, welcome back. So the next step here is that we're just gonna call think pink and think black. I don't think I needed to do food check yet. So let's just do that. We're gonna start by doing if this dot scene dot state is equal to play. Logan, do you know what this line does?
This line Starts the scene.
It does, and it checks if the play button is pressed. So this dot scene dot think pink, and we'll do this dot scene
Yay! Now it'll
dot
work.
think.
Hey, now the request text will work.
Exactly, because we're explicitly calling the function. Now we haven't created the think black function yet, so I'm going to just comment it out. And let's just test out think pink. I don't know if any of this will cause an issue, so let's give it a shot. There it is. Give me some dessert. That was quick though. Shouldn't it be delayed? Let's stop the game and try again. Give me some dessert. Okay. Pretty cool. Pretty quick. Let's see if so that's working.
Let's create some for black.
Good choice. So it was instant, right? And then the delay comes afterwards. So let's create one for black. You're right. Let's go ahead and create one for black. We're gonna make a think black. Guess what? The think black is probably the same, almost the same code as the think pink. So I'm just gonna copy the think pink here.
Good idea.
Yeah, I don't want to write a lot of code. And then I'm gonna put him here, and I'm just gonna change some stuff. So it's probably not the best way to do it, but for now we'll do it that way. There's a lot of danger in copy and pasting code like that because you can always leave something in that you don't mean to. So, but for now we'll do that. So every time we see pink, we'll change it to black. And what do we want the black ninja to say? Something like "I'm hungry." Feed me
Now.
now. Okay, feed me now. I don't know if there's enough space in the box for that, but let's give it a shot. And then we're gonna do the black delay. Uh-oh, that. Um, wait, black request. Oh, there is no black delay. There's this dot black delay, and we got create timer random black.
Everything is black.
Yeah, and then we got this dot scene dot new black.
Black. Black.
Okay, we're not gonna sing. All right, so I think we have our think black working now. So why don't we go down here and uncomment this and see if it'll work. Ready? Ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's give it a shot. So boom, I'm hungry. Feed me now. Okay. So they're both hungry. They're both ready to eat, and they're both thinking. So I think we got pretty far. So we did the think pink. So we're doing this and this. We did the think black, which is doing this, and then we called it here for the scene, and we actually started some of our food check as well. So good progress. I'm gonna stop the video, and we'll see you in video number 3.